This is a tutorial on using Google Read and Write within a number of different programs. Teachers are starting to realize that this is an excellent tool that can be used for both reading information as well as student assignments to ensure understanding. This is a video that's just going to show you how to get Google Read and Write, and then secondly, how it works. So in Chrome, you have to use Google Chrome. Some students have tried using Explorer and they don't understand why Google Apps don't work properly. So I am signed into my apps account. That's jtravers@apps.hpdsb.on.ca. Everybody has one of these accounts. And I have opened up Chrome, in which I have signed into Chrome using that same account. When you sign into Chrome, not just into Google, but signing into Chrome, it actually shows you and keeps with you the same information. So if I was to take a computer or a Chromebook from our library and I log in, it actually shows me these tabs that I have saved up here. So it's actually beneficial in which to sign into Chrome and set your settings so that wherever you go, those same settings will go with you. Google Read and Write. The first thing you want to do is open up Chrome and you can type in something along the lines of download Google Read and Write, and you'll come into the Chrome store. There's a number of ways to access this. If you look in Chrome, you will see there's the apps. When you open it up, you have different options, but these options don't always show up here. But here we have many different options, including your web store. And that can actually show you all the different extension apps that you can download on. So what you can do download Google Read and Write. There's too many different ways to access this information. I'm going to click on that. And it'll bring you to the web store, which was the apps that I've just shown you there. You can do it either or. When you see the program, you click, it'll be a blue button. It will say add to Chrome or download, and you add it. I have already done that. That's why it's green. When you download it, it will show up here in your Chrome tabs. Apologies. It will show up in your Chrome tabs as like a little puzzle piece, RW, Read and Write for Google Chrome, and you can access that anytime that you need. So how can it help us in this assignment, in this situation? So I'm going to click Google Read and Write because I want to access it. It doesn't automatically come on. And you'll find your little toolbar, and you can highlight, you can do a number of different things. One of the things that I have found with my students that they like to do is to have it read to them. So you can start by highlighting specifically. If you just press play, it's going to read everything starting from the very top of the information all the way down. So I'm going to indicate to it what I want it to do and then press play and it will read to me.
Proceed. Continue working on your notes in the Gemma notebook as you work through Unity. Below is an image of the human life cycle. Humans generally follow these stages in their development from child to adult.
So you can actually have it read to you. If you have headphones, you can plug it in and listen to it. You can stop it at any point. There's many different functions. If you've opened up a Google Doc, you can actually bring text in, have it read it to you. You can highlight words, look them up in the dictionary. You can insert pictures, or you can highlight a word. It will find pictures that it associates with, so it can help you interact with your text. But for those of you who are having trouble reading your text because it's a large amount of information, then Google Read and Write can help you. So again, you have to go into Chrome or open Chrome, in Google, download Read and Write, and then when you open up the website, click on that little RW puzzle piece and it will open it up. And that you can stop and start it wherever you want to. So I want it to pick up reading here. Hopefully that helps you.